Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a very special video. Mainly because I've never done anything like this. I never thought I'd do anything like this in 2024. Carl Chen over at CC Sabers has made this happen. He is a very generous and kind man. I cannot express the amount of gratitude and thanks that I have towards him and his company. Carl and CC Sabers are great. Be sure to check them out. But if you read the title, then you know that I'm doing a giveaway. This lightsaber, or at least this exact lightsaber, is not the one I'm giving away. I'm actually going to be giving away this lightsaber off to my side over here. I'm going to be unboxing this lightsaber, but I'm not going to touch that lightsaber at all because I don't want to mess with the packaging. The details for the giveaway will be at the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned and you can learn all about the rules because there will be some rules for you to enter the giveaway. But yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox this lightsaber and just show you what's inside and what you could be winning in the giveaway. This is the packaging that it came with. It just says collection saber, and then on the back has a little like Graflex image on it. It's pretty neat. It's not a Graflex though. In my opinion, it looks way cooler than the Graflex, just because it's very unique. But when you take off the lid, let's start with this first, which is the instruction manual. Mine is a little bent from the packaging. Yours should be completely fine. This lightsaber is an SNV4, so it will come with all the great budget neopixel features such as many blade effects and ignitions. It will come with 27 fonts on there. If you're new to neopixels, this manual will tell you everything you need to know. Next, we have the toolkit box. It's just a little box that has all the things that you may need for your lightsaber. And so the first thing inside the toolkit is this bag. This bag will contain your USB-C charger. It is a USB-C to USB-A charger. We have an Allen wrench in here, and then you have, I believe, 5 blade retention screws. The last thing inside the toolkit is this right here, which is actually a coupler. That's all in the box when it comes to accessories. I'm gonna move on to actually the neopixel blade. It is a 32-inch neopixel blade. It is wrapped in plastic, so you will have to be sure to take that off. This is the beautiful hilt by CC Sabers. This thing is gorgeous. It is a gold and like black hilt. It comes with a D-ring at the bottom and it has this lovely like etching on it. I'm not too familiar with etching because this is the first lightsaber I've ever owned that has etching, but it feels amazing and it's not sharp at any point. Based off of the design, I can tell you right now at the emitter, this might be a really good spinning lightsaber. It even has these nice little like window slits at the emitter. This is incredible. We're gonna go ahead and put on the blade and then we're gonna show off a couple fonts and then show you what that looks like. So to power on your saber, all you gotta do is hold the button.
Power on.
And as you just heard, it says power on. So I don't know what font it is. So what I'm going to do is hold the button and it's going to blink 4 times. Once it blinks 4 times, it will change to a new font. And you let go after the 4th blink, okay? If you hold it too long, it will just power off the saber, which is a very nice feature because not a lot of neopixels have that feature where you can just hold this button and it will actually just power it off completely. I'm gonna switch to a font.
Anakin.
So here's an Anakin Skywalker font. So if you've seen Ahsoka, maybe you're a big fan of Anakin, you might like this font. And so this is what it looks like. And it looks cool. And also, this is one of the blade effects that it has. So this is a pulsing effect. You might see it on the table just a little bit, but this will come with smooth swing, so you can kind of hear it a little bit. Let's go to another font, and I believe this next one should be a Maul font.
Kenobi.
And so again, smooth swing. And then here's some blaster deflection. And then this does have flash on clash, so you can. So that's pretty neat. And one of the greatest thing about this is that this has gesture control. So you can just twist your wrist and it will turn off, and you can also twist it and it'll turn right back on. This does have thrust, but in my current situation, I am not going to thrust the saber because I might actually break something or hit something. So I'd rather not, but you can thrust it on kind of like a Kylo Ren thing, but it's pretty cool. We're gonna do 2 more fonts and then we're gonna go and do the spin test.
Yoda.
So here's a Yoda font. It's a nice, lovely green. Okay, so here is Temple Guard, and it's a nice yellow blade which will match this amazing gold hilt. And this is also one of the blade effects that it comes with. I believe this is a flame effect, so you can kind of see it on the table. With the lighting, it's a bit not prominent, but I guarantee you, if you were to go outside at night, this would look amazing. But it just works so well with the gold. Now that you've seen a handful of fonts, we're going to go ahead and go outside and do a quick spin test. Right after the spin test, I'm going to give my final thoughts and review on the saber, what I think of it. Does it spin well? Because I have a feeling this is going to spin very well. Just to do a quick balance test, which is what I like to do to determine if a saber is going to be very good at spinning. When you're spinning a lightsaber, you want to grip as close to the emitter as you can. Luckily up here, there's not a lot going on. So when you grip up here, it should be great, and it's very close to the balance point, which means it should be very good for spinning. Please do not spin lightsabers right here. It's just not very good. I don't recommend it. It makes it weird and awkward. Always grip as high as you can so you can get the best control over your saber when you're spinning. Let's go see that spin test. Okay, so we're in this like cool little like hallway area in like a parking garage. I'm just gonna keep it on one font and have it on mute. But yeah, just enjoy the spin test, and I'm gonna show you all the things that you can do with it. So let's get to it. Let's do a quick throw test. Wow, that thing throws very nicely. It is very well balanced, as you can tell. Man, I'm cold and out of breath, but final rating for this saber. The looks, I'm going to say it's a 10 out of 10. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. The balance is really nice too. For the spin test, I could have done way more, but I don't want to be spinning out here too long because it is like 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to say the spin test was about a 10. You can do a lot with this saber. Just make sure when you're spinning, this like D clip is pulled back, so it's not just out, so you don't accidentally like kind of like hit yourself with it and it like throws you off when you're spinning. This saber is great. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 saber. This is an amazing saber on CC Sabers' website, and I hope you agree too. All right, and that was the spin test. Like I said, I knew this thing was going to spin very well. I'm very glad that there's not a lot of things happening towards the top of the emitter, because gripping up here would have been very uncomfortable, such as like a Revan, where it has like these like spikes or like blades on the sides. It would be very uncomfortable, but with this you can grip at the top and it feels very nice. And honestly, the etching kind of gives it a bit of texture and grip in a way. It's really cool because it's very like smooth but also has grip. Now for the moment that you've all been waiting for is the giveaway details. Here is the trash box. This is what held this, so we can move that to the side. This is the saber you're going to be winning. I will only open it just this one time. Here is the hilt that you're going to be winning. It's the exact same. You can kind of see the gold etching on it. So to enter this giveaway for this lightsaber, all you have to do is subscribe to both CC Sabers and I on YouTube. I will have links to everything that you have to do down below. Next, you want to follow CC Sabers and I on Instagram and TikTok. Again, I'll have them both down below. And the final requirement for the giveaway is to tag a friend in the comments. Since it's on YouTube, I don't think you can tag. So if you're on YouTube, just comment anything, really. What do you like about the saber? What do you dislike about it? The winner will be chosen through the comments, which is how I'm going to be able to choose the winners in the first place. So be sure to comment, because if you do not comment, you will not be able to be put into the like random comment picker that I'm going to be using. And just to talk about that, just to make sure we're clear, because I don't want any controversy over like who won. I'm going to first spin a wheel, which is going to choose comments spread between Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And I'm going to make a YouTube short as well. So there's going to be 4 categories. It's going to choose one. Whichever one of those categories wins, I'm going to go to that post and then go to a random comment picker and choose that post. And then it's going to cycle through and it's going to choose a comment from there, and then they will be declared the winner. The winner will have roughly 1 week to reach out to me. I'm going to recommend that you reach out to me on Instagram, which I will have my handle right here. So you can reach out to me and tell me that you won, and also have verification ready. Show that you're logged in to that account with that exact same handle, because I guarantee you people will impersonate you. I've seen it myself. When I won my like Luke Skywalker, which is a bit off shot, but when I won my Luke Skywalker, I had people making fake accounts of me on different platforms with the same handle. I'm gonna put it on my Instagram story, exactly which platform and then also which comment it is. So be sure to follow me on Instagram because that is going to be very crucial because that is where the winner will be announced. Now, I'm going to let this be international. I will be paying for the shipping. If anyone reaches out to you saying you won and they're impersonating me, saying all you have to do is pay for the shipping, it is incorrect. I will be paying for the shipping myself. So there is literally no fees at all. You're getting this for free. If you are under 18, I do require that you have a parent's consent. I will have the rules on screen one more time just so you can see it all. And then again, it will be in the description down below. But yeah, I'm super excited. This giveaway is very fun. And again, a big thanks to Carl Chen and CC Sabers. They're incredible. I hope whoever wins this lightsaber appreciates and really enjoys the saber because this would be honestly a really good original character lightsaber design. I truly hope that you enjoy it. That is going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you want to, and comment down below what are your thoughts on this lightsaber. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.